On this video, I'm going to mention the 3 different styles of mountain climbers. This is the May challenge for 2020. Here we go. Plank position. A regular mountain climber would look like this. You're in a bit of a V shape. Knee come forward. Switch. Using your lat muscles to pull your shoulders in the socket. Relax your jaw, relax your neck. You can do a mountain climber with your pelvis down, with your knee low, like that. You can do cross. Okay. So cross looks like this. Cross like that. Like that. You don't have to jump, you can just go like this. Okay. Next one is spider. Knee to the side. Knee to the side. Again, you can just do it like this, or you can hop. All right, so you have the option of pelvis up or down, and also you have the option of hopping or just stepping into it. Even if you were to place your foot like this, that will work as well. So the challenge is for total time, no need to count reps, total time over the course of the month. So I expect to see hours and hours of mountain climbers. Good luck.